Welcome back to the channel, welcome back, and we are on Wednesday morning, and in here we have two things. One is not diamond painting related, the other thing is diamond paint related. Now remember I said that I wanted to get a fish pen. I'm hoping and praying that inside here we've got the pen that has the blue tail. If it isn't, then it is what it is. It's always good to have a good batch of these, and then because sometimes down here cracks, so it's always good to have a spare. But let's just hope, fingers crossed, we've got that blue tail pen. If we haven't, then I've got to reorder something and hope and pray that I can get one. I really want one, because they don't give you the colour option, they select it at random. But let's get into our little package, and as you can see in here we have got, let's go for the well, because it's diamond painting, let's go for the pen first. But there's the other things getting in the way. Please, 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 please. Is it going to be... Oh no. It's a pink one. No! I want a blue tailed one. I don't know if they're rigged, because I'm not being funny, but I think I got this one through my carry case. But it just seems like all the pens that they do, no matter where you buy, if it's Temu, Amazon, they all seem to come with a pink one. So I'm wondering if the blue ones are in existence. But let's take a look, let's open it, and we'll see if there's a colour change on the head here, because as you can see in this one we've got black. This might be a pink. Let's take a look. No, it's a black, but as you can see, look at that. So I'm really happy with that. I mean, I can take that over to Whittam if I do any paintings there. And then I've got one for over here. So really good. So that's that one. Now the next thing I bought, because I am exploring other areas of Temu, like gadgets and all sorts of things. And I found these. And these are fold up scissors. So Dragon Alloy scissors. Now for all you crafters, like if you do cross stitching or sewing, these are coming really handy. So as you can see, if we take this over here, we take this off, you can see here you get a small, medium or large. I think these are medium, and what you do is, as you can see, you can open them, but you can also I think it doesn't fold that way, but I got told they fold up, so it must be, yeah. So what you can do is you can fold it that way, like that, and then it folds up like that, and you've got a little key ring so that you can put your keys on it. So if you're going out with your keys, or perhaps you need to travel, you've got a pair of folding up scissors. And I just think they're great, because you never know if you need scissors. Like if you're out and about, you quickly need to cut open some packaging or something, or perhaps there's something tangled up in your bag. These are just handy. You can put them on the keys. And yeah, they're just a really lovely pair of scissors, which is really good. And then obviously when you want to use them, and also you can, as I said, like once you fold them up, they're nice and easy to store, rather than ones that look like that and you've got to put them in there. But you can put them in your pencil case, you can put them in your craft box. They're just a lovely pair of scissors, and as I said, they fold up like this. And then obviously if we just give it a test, you can see lovely pair of scissors, really like that. So, but yeah, what I like about them is the little key ring there, which is really fantastic. So yeah, nice little unboxing there. I know it's not diamond painting related. I am trying to keep the paintings to paintings only and diamond painting things, but it is very difficult when you try to when you see something else and you like it, and it's like, oh yes. But please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do, and I'll see you next time for another Temu unboxing. Take care, bye bye.